Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi, 1914 to 1999. Maulana Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi, popularly known as Ali Mian Nadwi, was one of the most respected Islamic scholars, thinkers, writers, and reformers of the 20th century. He is remembered as a voice of Indian Muslims on the world stage and a bridge between traditional Islamic learning and modern challenges. Early life and education. Born 5th of December 1914, Raebareli, UP, India. Family came from a deeply religious and scholarly family. Education. Studied at Darul Uloom Nadwat Ulama Lucknow and also benefited from scholars of Deoband. Major contributions. 1. Leadership at Nadwat Ulama. Served as the rector, Nazim, of Nadwa for many years, strengthening its role in Islamic education. 2. Writings. Wrote over 50 books in Arabic and Urdu, many of which have been translated into English and other languages. Famous works include What the World Lost Due to the Decline of Muslims, History of the Prophetic Mission and Struggle, Tariq-e-Dawat o-Azimat, Sirat Syed Ahmed Shahid, Karwan-e-Zindagi, Autobiography, Nagush-e-Ikbari, International Role, Vice President of the Muslim World League, Makkah, represented Indian Muslims in international Islamic gatherings, respected throughout the Arab world for his Arabic writings and speeches. 4. Dawah and Reform, deeply connected with the Tablighi Jamaat, worked tirelessly for revival of Islamic values, especially among the educated class. Honors and recognition, awarded Padma Bhushan by the government of India, honored by Islamic institutions in the Middle East and worldwide, remembered as a reviver, Mujahid-like figure for his time. Legacy Maulana Nadwi is remembered as a great scholar and writer in both Arabic and Urdu, a moral and spiritual guide for Muslims in India and abroad, a global representative of Indian Islam in the 20th century. He passed away on 31st of December 1999 in Lucknow, leaving behind a legacy of knowledge, spirituality, and Islamic revival. Would